All right, I got a new generator. I saw a bunch of reviews on this one. Got really great reviews. So it was between this Power Smart and a wind generator. My buddy Timothy, he's got a wind generator. I really liked it. Very quiet. So I saw the reviews. This is supposed to be just as good and as quiet as the wind. So this is the Power Smart dual fuel 3,800 watt inverter. So I can run this on propane or gasoline. So I already put oil in it. There's your cover right there. And let me tell you, oh my gosh, that screw almost didn't come out of there. It was so tight. So, but I got it, added my oil, so the oil is added. I have not tried to crank it, but I just wanted to show you. So here's all your gadgets. So let me show you your gauges. So this is where it's in the off position. You can turn it to the on position, and that's your propane or gas. So it only has one on switch. And here's your choke if you're going to use gasoline. I'm not going to use gasoline, so I'm going to just turn it to the on position. It's got your meter right here where you can read the voltage, the hours. It's even supposed to tell you how much fuel you have. Now, the thing I'm curious about is it looks like the fuel, get in here, see if, looks like the fuel is on the left, how much fuel you got. And then this is the percentage of electricity that it's generating. So I'll play around with it. I haven't even turned it on yet. I'm telling you, all I did was put oil in it and connect my propane line to my propane tank. So this came with the generator. So you don't have to buy one, it comes with it. So let's give it a try, folks. It says to make sure to have your eco switch in the off position because you want to crank it when it's at full idle. So I think I'm good to go. I got my connection made for my propane. Let me go ahead and cut it to the on position. There we go. I got it in the on position. Oh, I got to go ahead and open up my propane. So I got to open it up. You always want to open it up slowly, so that way the check valve inside the propane tank doesn't get an inrush. Come on now. There we go. Doesn't get an inrush and think that it's leaking propane. So there you go. I'm going to cut it all the way on. So we're just about there. This must be an old tank. All right, so here we go. Full of propane. So we're going to give it a try here. Let me go around. The pull starts on this other side. Here's your exhaust. And it's a pull start. So we're going to see. I'm going to set the phone down because I can't hold the phone and pull it at the same time. I want to try and really pull it with purpose. See how many pulls it takes to crank it. Let's see if I don't know if I can, yeah, I can't get in there, folks. So really and truly, let's see. Let me just see. I'm gonna, all right. 1, 2. That was 3. Oh, you know what, folks? User error. This is going to be my fault. I know what I did. Let's see. No? Okay. I thought it had another switch to cut it on. So, if I don't get it to crank next couple of pulls, I'm going to have to set the phone down. So it could be I'm just not getting enough pull on it. Let's see. Yeah, let me go ahead and pause it. All right, I had to go ahead and set it down just because it wasn't getting a strong pull on it. But here's the other thing I didn't think about. I wished it had a little purge button so you can purge the propane up to the generator. So that's probably my issue. So let me go back to see if I can get it. Let's see if I can get my phone to keep it in view. We're gonna give it a try. Ooh, it takes a while to get it to purge. Yep, that would have been great if it had a purge button. Purge that propane. I'm going to try it in the choke position. You shouldn't have to choke it when it's home propane. There we go. I think I got it purged now. Go back to choke. Whew. Okay, folks, I finally got it. You hear it running. It's really quiet. That's not even with the idle control on, the echo, to make it quieter. So folks, that's pretty impressive how quiet it is. So I'm going to let it run an hour so I can break it in. And then once I run it an hour, then I'm going to change the oil. So I'm doing this with no load. I'm going to let it run just like this, full idle for 1 hour. And then I'll drain the oil and put new oil in it. And then I'll go through one more cycle for another hour, and then my third time I'll put it under 50% load, run it for about 30 minutes, and then run it at full load, 100% load, for another 30 minutes. That'll give it a whole hour, and change the oil one more time, and that'll complete the break-in cycle. But that's not really loud, folks. I'm telling you, it's not. I'm having a normal conversation. I'm not even raising my voice.